I am delighted today to discuss a topic that is at the forefront of technological innovation and business transformation. And the topic is big data. So, today in our fast-paced digital era, data is emerging as a lifeblood of organizations. The sheer volume, variety, and velocity of data generated every day poses both challenges and opportunities. To harness the power of this data, organizations are increasingly turning to two essential components, that is data pipelines and the other is data lakes. Imagine a data pipeline as a sophisticated network of interconnected data processing stages. It's like a well-orchestrated big data pipeline as a sophisticated network of interconnected data processing stages. It is like a well-orchestrated synonym where raw data is collected, refined, transformed into a valuable insight based upon your KPIs. This pipeline ensures the seamless flow of information, making data accessible and actionable. Now let's dive into the concept of data lakes. Think of it as a vast reservoir that holds raw and unstructured data in its purest form. So data lakes provide a centralized repository where organizations can store massive amount of data without the need of predefined schemas. So it's a flexible and scalable approach that accommodates both structured and unstructured data forecasting, like innovation and exploration. Why big data? Why data pipeline? So crucial. Firstly, they empower organizations to break down data silos by consolidating data from various sources, departments, and formats into a centralized system. This leads to a better decision making and more competitive understanding of our business operation. Secondly, the ability and scalability offered by these technologies are unparalleled. Big data pipelines and data lakes foundation for scalable solutions. Thirdly, the insights derived from these technology fuel, which is the most important for it. By tapping into the potency of the data, and the organizations can uncover lots of patterns, trends, which help to drive the strategy and also know the customer experience. In conclusion, data pipeline and data lake represents the backbone of a data-driven future, and that is how the overall big data works, where the pipeline and the lake helps you to deliver the project, big data projects. Thank you.